Okay. Due to spills last time getting the sound of what we believe it was pool balls being played in the new building, we did find the old pool table. It's nowhere near the new building where we got the noise, but we have found it. It is in bad condition. But what we want to do tonight is we bought a cue, and if pool balls, so they're leg balls. What we want to do is try and get that same noise if we can, or at least dismiss whether it was balls or not. So we've got to uncover this table first because it hasn't been used for so long, and see if we can reproduce that sound or whether we can't. So you reckon it's one ball hitting another ball?
Yep.
Like that?
Yep. That was it.
Except it took further time.
It was a huge gap.
Do you like the fact that I can hit?
Yeah.
Is that impressive or what? Can you tell where I used to spend my days?
I would have been more impressed if they all went in the pocket.
It nearly did. It's because it's a rough table.
But that's the way I would have heard it. The first ball hitting, and then that ball.
The thing is though, it went down slower, so I'm not going to hit it quite so I gave it a good hit.
Yep.
So I'm going to give it a gentler hit, hopefully I'll line lock. So, because it took its time, took its sweet time to get down there.
Could have been a delay because it was residual too, if it was residual.
Sorry, missed.
That could happen too. It could come off a rebound.
Yeah. So you reckon it's not the cue on the ball?
No, it's one ball hitting another ball,
It's another ball.
and that ball going
the cue
into.
is actually quite silent.
Yeah. Which means it'll be a slow shot.
So it was purposely trying to get something definitely in shot.
Yep.
Okay, so I'm going to do it. But even just doing, ball on ball.
That's definitely the sound.
Yeah. I hope I can get the balls back out.
I'm glad it's you putting your hands in there and not me.
Mr. Spills,
Shitting himself.
because he's got a spider on him. What is it with men that they can face ghosts, but when they've got a spider around,
Yeah, because it's a spider.
they suddenly go to pot? You sure it's gone?
I hope so.
Or did you flick it on me?
Yeah, it's down there on your leg.